Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, we will learn how to install, activate and update the plugins that come bundled with Creativo. So I have like a default Creativo install with no demo template imported. So if I go to my dashboard, I can simply go to Creativo and Plugins tab. This is the place where all the plugins that come bundled with Creativo can be updated, installed and activated. So for this example, I'm using an older version of Revolution Slider as well as VP Bakery Page Builder. And you can see how easy it is to perform the update for these plugins, all right? So whenever there's an update available, whenever we create an update for these plugins, you will be informed directly on your plugins page under plugins, install plugins. You will see this notice here. There's an update required for Slider Revolution and VP Bakery Page Builder. Okay, so you won't be able to perform the update directly here. That's not possible because these are premium plugins that come bundled with Creativo. So for that, we have to go to Creativo plugins and here we can actually simply click the update button. We have this small message on top of the plugin that needs to be updated. So if I simply click on update, the update process will begin. So let's do that now. So the plugin has been correctly updated and it's been activated as well. So now you can see that the message has disappeared. Now we have version 6.5.12, while previously we had 6.5.9, all right? So I'm going to do the same for VP Bakery. Click on update and simply wait for the update to go through. Okay, so now we have all the plugins updated. Let's go back, Creativo plugins tab. All right, so what happens if for some reasons you try to click on update and the update doesn't go through? Well, in that case, we can do something else. We can actually go to plugins, install plugins, and let's say that the Slider Revolution didn't install the update correctly. What we can do is simply deactivate the plugin, delete it, and then go back to Creativo plugins. And I can simply install the latest version available. Now, doing so doesn't mean that your sliders will be lost, okay? So don't worry about that. You won't lose your sliders. Even if you delete the plugin, the actual sliders are saved into a database, not in a physical file on your server. Okay? So again, because I used the install process, now I have the latest version. This issue usually happens with layer slider. So if there's an update available and you click on it and it doesn't go through, you can simply go to plugins, install plugins, deactivate and delete the plugin, then go back to Creativo plugins and install the plugin fresh. This will ensure that you always have the latest version available. All right? So that's how you update the plugins. All right, so what happens if I want to simply install a plugin? Well, I can simply go here and click on install. Let's say I want to install Elementor with Creativo Elements, right? I simply click on install and just wait for the plugin to be installed. Okay, this is a free plugin. This is the free Elementor, which is being downloaded from WordPress repository, plugin repository. But Creativo Elements, it's a premium plugin that comes with Creativo theme, all right? So now that I have Elementor installed, now I can click and install this plugin as well. Keep in mind that Creativo Elements plugin will not function without Elementor. So that's it. That's how you install, activate, and also update your plugins to the latest versions available. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video screencast.